Testing. 1, 2, 3. Are we ready for takeoff? Activate the starter engines. 3, 2, 1. We have a takeoff. We are taking off. We're approaching the platform now. Everything seems to be under control. Oops! We're having a little difficulty. Oh, we're able to pull out of it. We should be approaching the children soon. We should be approaching the children soon. On your torpedoes, they do have squirt guns. The first pass was unsuccessful. We're now on the second pass. Oh, they hit us. We're now on the third pass. Still unsuccessful. We're trying for a fifth pass. They're running. I think they're running. Yes, we were able to defeat them. Oh no, we're locked into a high speed. I'm trying to turn out of it, but I can't. Uh-oh. Joe, I don't know what we're going to be able to do here. The visibility is extremely poor. I can't see a thing. I cannot see a thing. Uh-oh. We're in a collision course. Backup team taking off. Uh-oh, we're also in some difficulty. I can't get out of my plane.